What's up guys, this is Karan here, back with another video. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. So we're back with another video. In this video I'm gonna share with you a gaming room according to my preferences. I'm not sure about yourself, but for me Corvus OS is one of the best room in the terms of gaming. As you can see, this is Corvus Android version 10 with the security patch of 5th of June 2020, and the kernel you got here for Redmi Note 8 is Genome Kernel Dev. Corvus OS is available for a lot of devices including Redmi Note 8. So if you're using Redmi Note 8, the direct link will be available in the description. If you're using other device, you also get the direct link in the description. So let's get started. Okay, so we are here at the home screen. First of all, talking about this room, we have some customization options, we have some great things. First of all, if we talk about the quick settings, here you got some extra options including the FPS info and some gaming mode option which are available in all other rooms also, but this room is pretty good in handling all these things. You got the Corvus launcher pre-installed. Let me show you. You get these kind of options here: icons, home screen, gestures, miscellaneous, these kind of things you get here. Some little bit of customization options, add icon to home screen, icon pack, and as I already have applied the icon pack, it's working perfectly fine here. Talking about the scrolling speed, it's just perfectly fine because it's a gaming room for me, so obviously there will be no doubt in performance. Talking about the battery backup, it's not that much bad actually. And just opening this, enabling this, you will see this little bit of thing here, FPS, which is quite good in the terms of checking out the PUBG performance and some other things. You can enable or disable it from directly from quick settings. You also get this option in the settings also. Okay, so moving on to settings, we have some extra options also in this custom room. You also get some customization options like Raven's layer. As you can see, unleash the Raven. You also get the themes option, which is quite interesting here, where you get the ascent picker option. You also get the option to customize your fonts, which is quite interesting. And talking about other things, as you can see, the fonts are changed and looking pretty much impressive. You can customize icon shapes, status bar, quick settings icons, quick setting header style, switch style. The system themes, where you get light, Google dark, pitch black, solarized dark, Choco X, baked green, dark gray, material ocean, and Corvus clear. A lot of things are available here. So talking about the main thing first, sorry I just forgotten about that. This one is a battery backup. It has smart charging option, which is a quite impressive thing. You get the adaptive battery option, which is available in all the rooms. Here you get the battery temperature option. Screen uses since full charge and lasts full charge. I've used my screen for 42 minutes and lasts some time, and you can see there's no extra battery drainage option. Use PUBG for 4 minutes to check out which are the things you are getting about other things. It's just perfectly fine. No extra things are here and there. Okay, so moving on to PUBG. Talking about the PUBG, it's just perfectly fine here, no lags at all. I used for some times, it was just perfectly fine here. We have some extra features to just enhance the performance, like, let me just show you, wait. We have the FPS meter, as I already shown you, that it is very cool in the terms of playing PUBG. When you play PUBG, you will see your FPS here, and which will tell you that how much FPS you are getting here, which is a quite interesting thing. And also, if we talk about other things, it has gaming mode. Let me just tell you. Okay, so you have the gaming mode option available here, where you have the heads up notification customization options in gaming mode. You got the disable automatic brightness, ringer in gaming mode, and just add apps in gaming mode. And here you have PUBG option or any other thing you need. So just click this one, you can add anything from here. You can remove the selected item from here too, and this is how it will enhance your gaming performance. You also get some customization options here, like notification customization options, heads up customization, hide smart replies, force close notifications, charging animation, some ticker related, and some edge lighting option, which are quite impressive. Here you can enable the edge lighting from here. You can customize the edge lighting color from here, edge lighting duration, and light repeat count. A lot of things to customization. Also notification LED, blink flashlight on call. In miscellaneous, you have the display cutout settings, which is quite impressive. As you can see, if you choose to hide it, and then your display cutout will be look like this. As you can see, your notch will be hidden if you're using a notch enabled device like me. Stock, status bar hide, full screen apps, and a lot more things. Screen animation, screenshot type, screen off animation, and here you got the gaming mode option, which is a quite interesting thing. Allow signature spoofing, and a lot of things to customize. Go for it and try it out right now. This is one of the best room. Go for it and just try to play games. You will feel satisfied after using this build. So this was all from today's short and simple video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye. Have a nice